Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get notifications and Messenger. Here are the steps to make sure you'll get notifications and Messenger app. Open the Messenger app. Launch the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the menu. It's in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then hit Settings. Go to Notifications. Scroll down and tap Notifications and Sounds. Enable notifications. Make sure the on toggle is switched on. Check sound and vibration settings. Enable in-app sounds and enable vibrate on ring if needed. Open the phone settings. Go to your device's main settings app. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Go to App Management. Then hit App List. Here, find and select Messenger from the app list. Tap Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. Now go to Notification Style. Here, you can also customize categories like messages, calls, etc. Disable battery optimization. In Messenger's app info, tap Battery and set Messenger to Not Optimized or Unrestricted to avoid missing notifications. Now, you'll receive messages, calls, and other alerts properly in Messenger. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.